It's our tractor. We bought it, we paid for it, and we should be able to do what we want with it.
Farmers should have the right to repair their own equipment. The giant manufacturing corporations are imposing severe repair restrictions that harm farmers, small businesses, and rural America. Part of what's giving these manufacturers such runaway power is how complex tractors have become.
The manufacturer of much of our equipment hold the only keys to diagnostics on the equipment that we've bought.
By withholding the software to diagnose and repair, manufacturers force farmers to go to the nearest authorized dealership, which might be hundreds of miles away.
Look at that piece of equipment behind me. Hauling it to that dealer that you got it from could be hundreds of miles away, costing us thousands of dollars.
Farmers often have to wait days or even weeks for repairs. And when equipment goes down at a critical moment, farmers can lose big money.
We may miss out on the opportunity to get a couple acres of crops in. We get about $20,000 an acre. That's, pretty quickly up to $100,000 of lost income. And on top of that, we have to eat the expenses that we've already invested in preparing for that crop.
Anti-competitive repair restrictions are also unfairly shutting out independent mechanic shops, which once thrived in the U.S.
As family farmers and small businesses are pushed out of rural communities, the population drops.
Less tax revenue for schools and hospitals leads to a lower quality of life, and more people leave.
We have seen the hollowing out of our small towns again and again.
The good news is that we're fighting back. The right to repair movement is gaining momentum at the Federal Trade Commission, in Congress, and in state capitals across the country. A victory in any one of these institutions will begin returning farmers' rights to them. Restoring the right to repair will help rural Americans reclaim the spirit of self-sufficiency and innovation.